today we will do exercise of chapter number 5, the world of animals. Look at the picture given below. Color the big animals in yellow and small animals in orange. Write their names in the space provided. See this picture. In this picture, you can see one parrot, giraffe, lion, cat, bear and butterflies. From this picture, we can identify these are big animals and these are small animals. Parrot, cat and butterflies are small animals and lion, giraffe and bear are big animals. So we have to color in this picture. So first we will write their name. Big animal, L-I-O-N, lion. B-E-A-R, bear. And last, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Then small animals, C-A-T, cat. B-U-T-T-E-R, F-L-I-E-S, butterflies. And P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Cat, butterflies and parrot are small animals. Now you have to color in this picture. See this picture? You have to color like this: parrot, cat and 3 butterflies with orange color, and lion, giraffe and bear with yellow color. Now open your page number 47. Number 1. Circle the odd one out. Number 1. Big animals. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. L-I-O-N, lion. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Big animals. Tiger, rabbit, lion and elephant. Tiger, lion and elephant are big animals, but rabbit is small animal. So circle on rabbit. Number 2. S-M-A-L-L, small. A-N-I-M-A-L, animal. Small animal. Cat, dog, ant and giraffe. Cat, dog and ant are small animals, but giraffe is big animal. So circle on giraffe. Number 3. B-I-R-D-S, birds. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. P-I-G, pig. Penguin, parrot and pigeon are birds, but pig is animal. So circle on pig. Number 4. Birds, T-H-A-T, that, F-L-Y, fly. Birds that fly. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Birds that fly. Ostrich, parrot, pigeon and eagle. Parrot, pigeon and eagle can fly, but ostrich cannot fly. So circle on ostrich. Number 5. Birds that, S-W-I-M, swim. Birds that swim. Duck, S-W-A-N, swan. G-O-O-S-E, goose and E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Birds that swim. Duck, swan and goose can swim, but eagle cannot swim. So circle on eagle. Number 2. Match the columns correctly. Column A, column B. Number 1. W-I-N-G-S, wings. Number 2. B-E-A-K, beak. Number 3. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Number 4. D-U-C-K, duck. And number 5. I-N-S-E-C-T-S, insects. Column B, number A. S-W-I-M-S, swims. B. SIX 6 LEGS legs. C. FOR 4 FLYING flying. D. CANNOT cannot FLY fly. And number E. FOR 4 EATING eating for eating. Wings. With the help of wings, birds can fly. So wings match with for flying. Number A match with number C. Beak. With the help of beak, birds can eat. So beak for eating. Penguin. Penguin cannot fly. So number 3 match with number D. Duck swims. Duck can swim. 4 number match with number A. And insects. Insects have 6 legs. Number B. Now open your page number 4, 949. Let's understand one number. Objective type questions. Number A. FILL fill. IN in. THE the. BLANK blanks. WITH with. THE the. CORRECT correct. WORD word. Fill in the blanks with the correct word. Number A. Dash are ANIMALS animals. WITH with. WINGS wings. Dash are animals with wings. Who have wings? Birds or fish? Yes, birds. So here B capital. BIRDS birds. Number 2. INSECTS insects. ARER ANIMALS animals. WITH with dash LEGS wings. Insects are animals with how many legs? 6. SIX 6. Number 3. Dash IS is a BIRD bird. THAT that. CANNOT cannot. FLY fly. Dash is a bird that cannot fly. Crow can fly? Yes, but ostrich cannot fly. So O capital. OSTRICH ostrich. Number 4. FISH fish. ARER ANIMALS animals. THAT that. LIVE live. IN in dash. Fish are animals that live in air or water. Yes, fish live in water. WATER water. Number 5. Dash CAN can. LIVE live. ON on. LAND land. ASS WELL well. ASS IN in. WATER water. Dash can live on land as well as in water. Squirrels live on tree, but crocodiles can live on land as well as in water. C capital. CROCODILES crocodiles. Number B. Choose the correct option. Number 1. WHICH which. OF of. THESE this. IS is. TRUE true. ABO UT about. BIRDS birds. Which of this is true about birds? THEY they. HAVE have. TWO two. FEET feet. AND and. WINGS wings. THEY they. HAVE have. BEAK big. THEY they. DO do. NOT not. HAVE have. TEETH teeth. All of this. Which of this is true about birds? They have 2 feet and wings. Yes. They have a beak. Yes. They do not have teeth. Yes. So answer is D. All of this. Number 2. Which of these animals? WOULD would. YOUU FIND find. LIVING living. IN in. WATER water. Which of these animals would you find living in water? Monkey live in water? No. Fish live in water? Yes. Elephant live in water? No. All of this. So answer is F-I-S-H, fish. Number 3. W-H-I-C-H which, O-F of, T-H-E-S-E this, B-I-R-D-S birds, C-A-N can, F-L-Y fly. Which of these birds can fly? Crow can fly? Yes. Ostrich can fly? No. Penguin can fly? No. All of these. Answer is A. C-R-O-W, crow. Number 4. Which of these animals can L-I-V-E live on L-A-N-D land as well as in water? Which of these animals can live on land as well as in water? Crocodile, dolphin, monkey, squirrel. Crocodile can live on land as well as in water. Dolphin can live in water only. Monkey live on tree and squirrel live on tree. So answer is crocodile. Number A. Which of these is TRUE true, ABOUT about, INSECTS insects? Which of this is true about insects? It is a small animal. Yes. Insects have 6 legs. Yes, it has 6 legs. Some of them have wings to fly. Yes. So answer is all of these. Very short answer type questions. Number A. Give 2 examples for each of the following. Number 1. BIRDS birds, THAT that, CANNOT cannot, FLY fly. Birds that cannot fly. We have to write any 2 birds name that cannot fly. So ostrich and penguin. OSTRICH ostrich and PENGUIN penguin. Then now number 2. BIRDS birds, THAT that, CAN can, FLY fly. Birds that can fly. CROW crow and SPARROW sparrow. Number 3. Animals that live on trees. Monkey and squirrel. MONKEY monkey. SQUIRREL squirrel. Monkey and squirrel. Number 4. Animals THAT that, LIVE live, ON on, LAND land as well as IN in, WATER water. Animals that live on land as well as in water. Crocodile and frog. CROCODILE crocodile and FROG frog. Number B. GIVE give, ONE 1, WORD word, FOR 4, THE the, FOLLO WING following. Give one word for the following. Number 1. Animals, WITH with, WINGS wings, AND and TWO2 LEGS legs. Animals with wings and 2 legs. Who have wings and 2 legs? Yes, all birds. So BIRDS birds. Number 2. SMALL small, ANIMALS animals, WITH with, SIX6 LEGS legs. Small animals with 6 legs. Who have 6 legs? Yes, all insects. So INSECTS insects. Number 3. THE the, BODY body, PART part of a, BIRD bird, THAT that, HELPS helps, IT it, TO2 EAT it. The body part of a bird that helps it to eat. From which part birds can eat? Yes, beak. BEAK, beak. Number 1. Number 3. Answer the following questions. NAME name TWO2 BIG big AND TWO2 SMALL small ANIMALS animals. Name 2 big and 2 small animals. Here you can write any animals. Big animals. BIG big, ANIMALS animals. Big animals. Any 2. LION lion, comma, ELEPHANT elephant. Lion and elephant. Then small animal, SMALL small, ANIMALS animals. Small animals. Any 2 small animals you can write. CAT cat, comma, ANT ant. Number 2. What HELPS helps a, BIRD bird, TO2 FLY fly. What helps a bird to fly? Yes, wings. Wings help a bird to fly. W capital, WINGS wings. HELP help a, BIRD bird to FLY fly. Full stop. Wings help a bird to fly. Number 3. NAME name ANYNE THREE3 KINDS kinds OF PLACES places WHERE where ANIMALS animals LIVE live WITH with and EXAMPLE example FOR4 ESCH each. Name any 3 kinds of places where animals live with an example for each. Animals live on land, on tree and in water. So first we will write animals that live on land. So land animal, LAND land. Which animals live on land? Yes, so many animals. So we will write any 2. DEER deer, comma, ELEPHANT elephant. Then animals that live on trees, TREES trees. Monkey and squirrel, MONKEY monkey and SQUIRREL squirrel. And last, animals that live in water. Water animal, WATER water, FISH fish, comma, DOLPHIN dolphin. Full stop. Now let's recall. Recall and complete the concept map given below. Types of animals. Animals with wings and 2 legs. It's called birds. So here birds. BIRDS birds. INSECTS insects. Insects have how many legs? Yes, 6. So here SMALL small, ANIMALS animals, WITH with, SIS 6, Legs. Legs. Animals with wings and 2 legs is called birds, and small animals with 6 legs is called insects. Okay. Now, types of animals. Some live on land, for example dog and lion. Monkey and squirrel, where they live? Yes, on trees. So we have to write here. SOME, some. LIVE, live. On. TREES, trees. Some live on trees, for example monkey and squirrel. Live on land, live on trees, live in water, and some live on both land and water. So here some live in water. SOME, some. LIVE, live. in. WATER, water. Which animal live in water? Fish and dolphin. FISH, fish, comma, DOLPHIN, dolphin. Some live on both land and water. WATER, water. And for example FROG, frog. Frog live on both land and in water. Now come page number 51. Let's observe. Observe the following picture and answer the questions that follow. See this picture, and from this picture we have to write the answer. Number A, WHAT, what? IS is THE, the. YELLOW, yellow. COLOURED, colored. BODY, body. PART, part. CALLED, cold. What is the yellow colored body part called? See, what is it? Yes, it is a beak. So here IT, it. IS is a BEAK, beak. Full stop. Number 2. DO, do. ALL, all. ANIMALS, animals. HAVE, have. THIS, this. BODY, body. PART, part. Do all animals have this body part? No, only birds have this body part. So here NO, no. ONLY, only. BIRDS, birds. HAVE, have. Only birds have. THIS, this. BODY, body. PART, part. Full stop. No, only birds have this body part. Number 3. C. HOW, how. DOES, does. IT, it. HELP, help. BIRDS, birds. How does it help birds? It helps them to eat. So here IT, it. HELPS, helps. THEM, them. TO, EAT, it. It helps them to eat. Now next. COLOUR, color. THE, the. PICTURE, picture. By. NUMBERS, numbers. NAME, name. The. ANIMAL, animal. Color the picture by numbers. Name the animal. Here number and colors names are given, and you have to write color according to this number. 1 number light green color, 2 number red color, 3 number pink color, 4 number dark green color, 5 number brown color, and 6 number yellow color. See, here numbers are given. You can see this picture. You have to color this picture like this, and here we have to write name. Which bird is this? Yes, this is a parrot. Parrot, parrot. See this picture. Green color, dark green, brown, light green, red, yellow, red, blue, green, pink. Yes. Now let's connect one crow, one duck and one deer. If one crow is there, so we can write one crow, but more than one crows are there, so we cannot call crow, but we have to call crows. So many crows. CROWS, crows. Same that one duck. So many ducks. DUCKS, ducks. But in deer, if one deer is there, so we can call one deer. But so many deer, so we cannot call deers, but only deer. So DEER, deer. Okay. Let's apply. WHYY, DO, YOUU, THINK, think. PENGUIN, penguin. CANNOT, cannot. FLY, fly. WHILE, while. PARROT, parrot. can. Why do you think a penguin cannot fly while a parrot can? Because parrot wings are made for flying, but penguins' wings are not made for flying. So here we will write BECAUC, because THEIR, there. WINGS, wings. ARER, NOT, not. MADE, mad. FOR, for. FLY, ING, flying, because their wings are not made for flying. Now see this picture. From this picture we have to write answer. WHICH, which. OF, of. THES, this. ANIMALS, animals. CANNOT, cannot. FLY, fly. GIVE, give. ONE, one. REASON, reason. FOR, for. YOUR, your. CHOICE, choice. Which of these animals cannot fly? Give one reason for your choice. See this picture. Which animal cannot fly? Yes, ostrich cannot fly. Crow can fly, cockroach can fly, but ostrich cannot fly. Why? Because their wings are not developed to support flying. So here write from here. O capital. OSTRICH, ostrich. CANNOT, cannot. FLY, fly. Ostrich cannot fly because THEIR, there. WINGS, wings, because their wings. ARER, NOT, not. DELE, DEVE, LOPED, PED, develop. TO2, SUPPORT, support. FLYING, flying. Ostrich cannot fly because their wings are not developed to support flying. Number 2. A crow and a cockroach both have wings and legs. Then, why is a cockroach called an insect while a crow is a bird? See, crow and cockroach both have wings. Then why cockroach is insect and crow is bird? A crow has 2 legs and 2 wings, so it is bird. But a cockroach has 6 legs, so it is an insect. So we will write here. A CROW, crow. HAS TWO2 LEGS, legs. AND and TWO2 WINGS, wings. IT, eat. IS is a. BIRD, bird. Full stop. BUT, bird. A COCKROACH, cockroach has SIX, 6 LEGS, legs. IT, eat. IS is it is. ANN INSECTS, insects. A crow has 2 legs and 2 wings. It is a bird, but a cockroach has 6 legs. It is an insect. See, crow and cockroach both have wings. Then why cockroach is insect and crow is bird? A crow has 2 legs and 2 wings, so it is bird. But a cockroach has 6 legs, so it is an insect. So we will write here. A CROW, crow. HAS TWO2 LEGS, legs. AND and TWO2 WINGS, wings. IT, eat. IS is a. BIRD, bird. Full stop. BUT, bird. A COCKROACH, cockroach has SIX, 6 LEGS, legs. IT, eat. IS is it is. ANN INSECTS, insects. A crow has 2 legs and 2 wings. It is a bird, but a cockroach has 6 legs. It is an insect. So kids, this much exercise you have to write in your ENV textbook with pencil. Okay, bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.